Welcome everyone. They called you strong. They applauded your resilience. But nobody asked what it cost you. Strength looks beautiful from the outside until you are the one carrying it. When does strength stop being power and start becoming a prison? Today, I expose the truth. Strength has a hidden price and it might be costing you. Today, we will see the hidden price of strength. They called you strong. They clapped for your endurance. They said, "You inspire me." And you smiled because that's what strong people do. But here's the part no one asked. What did it cost you? What broke inside you so they called you unbreakable? What did you bury, silence, or swallow whole to wear the badge of strength? Strength can start as an armor and end as a cage. Because strength isn't free. Every time you choose I am fine instead of I am hurting, every time you hold the weight so no one else has to, every time you refuse to fall because you think falling makes you weak, you pay a price. And the price is yourself. The world loves strong people, but here's the ugly truth. They love you strong because it makes them feel safe. They love your shoulders broad enough to carry their mess. They love your silence because it keeps their comfort intact. But what about you? When did strength stop being your power and start becoming your prison? When did the walls you built to protect yourself become the walls you live inside? And here's the cruelest part. The more they clap for your strength, the tighter the chains. Because now you think you can't rest, you can't take break, you can't whisper, I need help. Because strong people don't do that, right? Wrong. Strength without softness is suffocation. Strength without vulnerability is a slow death. You weren't born to be a statue. You were born to be alive. And alive things bend. Alive things cry. Alive things sometimes need someone to say, it's okay to put it down. Let's reflect together. Where have you turned strength into punishment? Where are you hiding behind resilience because collapse terrifies you? And where have you mistaken numbness for power? True strength isn't never falling. True strength is falling and still choosing to rise. It's saying, I can carry this, but I don't have to carry it alone. It's looking the world in the eye and whispering, I am tired, I need, I matter too. Because the badge they gave you for surviving, you can take it off. You have got nothing to prove, not anymore.